in my bag. Hello. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you on what's in my bag. So wait. So guys, sorry for that one. It's just a pose. So yeah. So today I'm gonna show you on what's in my bag. So wait. So guys, sorry for that. Another pose one. So yeah, wait. And guys, this is my bag. So yeah, so let's open. This have 4 zippers. So yeah. So I have here my pencil.
Alright, everyone settle down now. We have a surprise visitor today. Oh, darling. We know who gets you. So, via someone Marina here. On the Team Red.
Whiteboard marker.
Listening to this whole thing, I said, inspired, like Marina. Teen fashion is very now, so why not have teen
And
fashion?
I have my ruler in here.
More ads. Yes, with it. She single-handedly saved 100,000 trains, used only fair-trade materials and natural dyes.
Yeah.
Deliveries were made by Life, Hatfield, or Salem.
I have
No
here.
petrol was used in
So
the
this
making of
is
these ads.
just my
Japan.
artwork
Are you
na hindi pa tapos.
Of course you are. Small and seven. Oh, Marina.
So, meron din ako dito na Dong Oil Pastel 24 color small size sticks non-toxic.
Oh, thank you. I'll cherish this memory forever and ever. Of course you will. You know your sister Jeanette thinks she will win. She says you don't have a chance, though. That your look was
So,
too
yeah. And my other color is Faber-Castell color classic. It's 48 classic color pencil. Okay, so I have here my correction tape. Yeah. And I have here my X-Acme sharpener. And the one is so sorry for that one. And let's open. And I have my pencil case. I have the double-sided tape, tractor, and my ball pen. And I have here my reminders notebook. So, and I have here my diary. So yeah. And I have here the new science link Cortex in Science and Technology. This is our book. And mostly guys, I have tayong. And I have here saan ko nilalagay yung mga yung pad lengthwise and crosswise ko. So, yeah. And dito ako nilalagay yung mga arts ko. Mga storage na yun nandito. And dito naman yung music writing ko. Music book. And guys, I have here my sulating formal. So yeah, guys. And
As you know, it's hard to find person as talented and wonderful as Marina. But even I have to make room for the next fashion icons.
so we're finished here. Oh wait, I forgot my pencil. And my search in here is my my rosary. So this is my rosary.
With no further ado, let me give the show to the hit girl who started it all.
So yeah, guys. So this is my. What's in my bag? And yeah, guys. So yung nandito is mga trash na yun, guys. So yeah. And guys, wait. Okay. So thank you for watching my video this day, and hope you like it. But I have a suggestion, a offer or favor. Please subscribe, like, and share of Johnny Harmelia's YouTube channel. And yeah. So guys, yeah. And guys, I have another favor again. Please like and subscribe me and share, because my subscriber is still zero. Yeah. So please like and subscribe it. And yeah. Please. Just like and subscribe and share. And the title is in here. And comment down below if you want some other challenges or requests. And I'm here to do